Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have the vivo X300 Pro Photography Kit. Now before we begin, let's unbox it and see what's inside. Over here is the X300 Pro. On our hands is the vivo X300 Pro. It's based on the Dimensity 9005. And over here, this particular device has 512 of phone storage with 16 GB of RAM. It has a battery capacity of 6510 mAh. It's based on Android 16. The vivo X300 Pro has 4 cameras, 3 at the back and 1 in front. The main camera is a 50 megapixel Sony camera with f1.6 and 1/1.28 sensor. It has OIS and gimbal grade stabilization with CPA 5.5. And there's also a telephoto camera of 200 megapixel based on the Samsung HBP. It's a f2.7 and 1/1.4 sensor with a 3.5 times optical zoom, macro, APO and OIS supported. The ultra-wide camera is a 50 megapixel Samsung JN1 with f2.0, 119 degrees FOV and it's autofocus. The front camera is a 50 megapixel based on the Samsung JN1 with f2.0, autofocus, 92 degrees FOV and supports 4K video. Now let's take a look at what is inside the photography kit. So the photography kit actually consists of the telephoto extender, sun lens adapter, filter adapter, decorative ring, a phone case, a phone strap and the imaging grip. Before we attach the telephoto extender, we need to actually insert the phone into the phone case supply. So here's our phone. It's a plastic phone case. So just like any phone case, we just insert it in. And we're done. That's how it looks like. Okay, there's also a stand over here. Take the imaging grip. There's a catch down here, as you can see from here. So we will need to align it and then clip it in. Right? And we are done. The next thing is to attach the telephoto extender. So we remove the telephoto extender from here and remove the cover lens. So you can see that there's a catch down here. So you need to align it to the roof over here, insert it in, and rotate it clockwise. You can hear the click sound. So there's a button down here, which you can see. Yeah, you can press it to release it. And let me show you again how I insert it in, and just rotate it. And we just connected the telephoto extender to the camera, to the handphone. Then you can remove the lens cover from here, and there you have it. So once that is done, you can click on the camera button. You'll notice that it actually asks you to turn on the telephoto extender. So just click on it, and you'll notice that the zoom levels is from 200 mm onwards. Right? Now let's take a look at some of the sample photos taken using the vivo X300 Pro without the telephoto extender. So these are the photos that are taken from 1 times all the way to 100 times zoom. As you can see from the photos, the zoom is pretty good under such low light condition. Of course, when we zoom it up to around 50 to 100 times, it starts to get blurry. In this segment, we install the telephoto extender and we are able to actually zoom in all the way from 200 mm to 5400 mm. And this is how the interface looks like. Thanks to the stabilization of this phone, I'm able to take very stable photo shots even though when I'm zooming in all the way up to 5400 mm. This is another set of photos that I took in landscape mode. At the bottom right of the photo, you can see the zoom factor that I use. And what do you think of these photo shots? Do post your comments below. Now this is a video shot in 4K at 20 times zoom, and you can see how clear the video is. With the telephoto extender, we can actually take 4K videos with a zoom of up to 1150 mm. Now let's take a look at the Geekbench results. The X300 Pro is based on the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 series, and it scores 3328 and 9974 for single and multi-core. It's about 6% slower than the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. In fact, both are so fast that we won't feel any difference in real-world usage. The vivo X300 Pro supports most of the 5G NSA and SA bands in the world, and most importantly, it actually supports the N79 band that is used in Japan, China and Hong Kong. So if you are traveling there and you are roaming, you might be able to tap on to the N79 band. In this test, we are using the 01 SIM running on the Singtel 5G NSA network, and it's running on the N78 band. And this is the result. We are getting around 928 megabits per second for downlink and 96.3 for uplink. This result is pretty impressive. The vivo X300 Pro delivers flagship level performance with excellent thermal control, even during extended 4K video recording. The MediaTek Dimensity 9005 proves that it can go toe-to-toe with Snapdragon's best, while Origin OS remains smooth and responsive. The camera system is the real highlight. Outstanding photo quality, impressive extreme zoom, and class-leading video stabilization that makes a gimbal largely unnecessary. Even without the telephoto extension, it can actually take pretty good pictures, even with zoom level up to 50 times. With its long-term software support and a well-designed camera accessory system, the X300 Pro feels like a complete, future-proof package. The only real downside is the price. It feels less like a phone and more like a camera that happens to fit in your pocket. This concludes our video review of the vivo X300 Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.